Welcome to the best course you're ever going to take, and the most important.
Because this is a place where you have an opportunity to develop those skills that are so important in the courtroom.
A good advocate represents their client so much more effectively. Practice different skills, direct and cross of different kinds of witnesses, and openings and closings. We will also work on putting in exhibits, making objections, and different other skills.
The opportunity to do this in this kind of supportive environment is frankly unparalleled. It replicates the real world of litigation and gives you the opportunity in a very safe and supportive environment to develop those skills and to get some really important and meaningful feedback. It's quite a remarkable group of people, and in fact, from time to time, you'll have that one-to-one engagement with these senior practitioners and judges to really hone your skills.
Well, how often do you get an opportunity for feedback from judges, the very people that you want to persuade?
There are judges from the BC Provincial and Supreme Court who are attending throughout the program to give you their time and feedback. Some fantastic relationships are also born in this program. It's a great opportunity to connect and maintain relationships with senior lawyers and judges. Without this program would not be the award-winning program that it is.
It's going to be a long 3 days, I won't lie. It's going to be a lot of work. It's going to be really intense, but I promise you, it's going to be very, very worthwhile.